Stock market is all about making and losing money. We all come in stock market to make some money. And the irony is nobody wants to lose. So how can a trader like you and me, investor like you and me can make money consistently in the market? Which is obvious. For this we have to rightly invest in good stocks, good sectors and multi-bagger stocks. So how to find those multi-bagger stocks? Let's talk about them today. See, timing is very crucial. Plus, the knowledge of which sector to invest in, which stock to invest in, plays a very important role. So, the question comes, which sector we are looking at? See, lately, Indian stock market is witnessing some game-changing policies in few sectors. And no points for guessing, yes, we are talking about drone policy. See, with the announcement of drone policy last year in July 2021, the central government has been continuously pushing the drone policy to maximize the utility of drone in civilian sector, especially agriculture sector. And the latest sensation to enter this multi-bagger sector in India is Mr. Gautam Adani and Mr. Mukesh Ambani. There are already few listed drone stocks in India which are on the verge of massively expanding. But there are few stocks which are already there in the stock market, like Zen Technologies, Rattan India Enterprises, BEL, which is Bharat Electronic Limited, Paras Defense and DCM Sriram. So these are potential stocks for this sector, and there are few stocks for which I have done the fundamental and technical analysis, which I'll be sharing with you. And according to me and according to my technical and fundamental analysis, I feel these certain stocks, I will be sharing two stocks with you, has huge potential to become a multi-bagger in coming days. See, on one hand, where Mr. Adani Defense has acquired approximately 50% stake in General Aeronautics through Adani Enterprises. See, on the other hand, Mr. Mukesh Ambani's Asteria Aerospace, which is a sister concerned company for Reliance Industry, has signed MOU with India's biggest UAV pilot training company. See, on one hand, where these big names like Mr. Adani and Mr. Ambani are expanding their portfolio and entering into the drone sectors, interestingly, we also have right now few dark horses which are currently trading at a very attractive price, and they are potential multi-bagger for future, the near future. This is not a tip providing video. I have always said this to you. This is just a simple case study which I am sharing with you. If you feel like you can do your own analysis and enter these stocks, I have taken positions in these two stocks, and I will be sharing my result with you timely and when the need comes. These two stocks which I am talking about right now is Rattan India and Zen Technology. Let's go to the charts and understand the technical part also. See, when we see this daily time frame, Zen Technology, यहाँ पे you can see clearly the double bottom pattern is in making. और if you have seen my videos, you know already, ये एक बहुत strong, very strong इंडिकेटर है कि मार्केट अब यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगी. द प्राइस एक्शन कैंडल विल गो अप. और इफ जस्ट अ सेकेंड, सी दिस पैटर्न somewhere around 150, the price action candle is taking clear support. Two times it has taken support. एक यहाँ लिया है, एक यहाँ लिया है, और यहाँ से boom ऊपर की तरफ. Fundamentally we have already talked, and technically this is one pattern on daily time frame on which I am very bullish. और यहाँ से मार्केट ऊपर जा सकती है. It has already taken a top of 256. So this was one stock. So let's talk about second stock, which is Rattan India, and this is one of my favorite stocks. और मुझे लगता है कि इसके अंदर सारे पोटेंशियल है एक मल्टी बैगर बनने के लिए. See, ultimately this is my perception. I am not saying you have to follow this, लेकिन I am just sharing my view with you and my case study. इंटरेस्टिंगली जब मिस्टर अडानी ने एक 50% स्टेक एक्वायर करे थे, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया, Rattan India also acquired 60% stake in drone startup called Throttle Aerospace. और इंटरेस्टिंगली टेक्निकल एनालिसिस अगर देखा जाए तो आई विल से ये जो पॉइंट था समवेयर हेयर, 12 रुपए के आसपास. This was the best time to enter this stock. However, better late than never. Right now also, this stock is actually very good entry point, giving very good entry point, and if we can enter at this point also, I feel ये एक multi-bagger stock बनने के पूरे इसके अंदर qualities हैं. See, the last candle it made, it touched this 20 moving average. यहाँ से support लेके it gave a reversal और यहाँ से it has started going up. Let's see what other time frames are saying. Again, see beautiful setup here also. Here also it has taken a clear support from this CPR, and interesting point is this. See, it is taking a clear breakout from these two levels, and actually there are 3-4 levels from where it is taking a breakout. And whenever a certain stock gives a breakout from on such levels, it is bound to go up. और यहाँ इसने breakout दिया है, and so I think it is a good time to buy these two stocks. एक और मैं आपको एक chart दिखा देता हूँ before we close this. Look at this, guys. 2-hour time frame पे रतन इंडिया यहाँ पे somewhere around this. Look at this point. मार्केट में प्राइस एक्शन कैंडल एक्चुअली गिव रेजिस्टेंस, वापस गई, दोबारा सेम रेजिस्टेंस, एंड अगेन नीचे जाने के बाद दोबारा से, एंड नाउ इट हैज़ गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. एक्चुअली 52 रुपीज़ पे इट हैज़ गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. एक्सीलेंट बाय. आई एम टेकिंग दिस स्टॉक. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपन इन कमिंग डेज एंड months. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. I have spent good time in preparing this data and making this video for you. So if you really like, please subscribe and share my video with other people also. Thank you.